Hey everyone, thanks so much for tuning back into my channel. I'm excited to have you here. I am actually going to be reviewing an update on my Sephora haul and some of the products that I got. It was my first YouTube video ever. It was super exciting and I was pumped to share those products with you, but I want to let you know how it's going and share some things with you. So if you'd like to see an update, please stay tuned and let's do this. Right off the bat, in that video I talked about how much I love this Glow Recipe cutest packaging ever, watermelon glow sleeping mask. So I've been using this all the time. I feel like it's excellent even if you're doing a kind of more intense clay mask or exfoliating mask or anything like that. I'm still using this kind of as a last step in my routine, and I feel like my skin does not feel dry when I wake up in the morning and I just rinse this off with warm water. You kind of barely know it's there. So I still absolutely love this and I recommend 10 out of 10 getting this one. Now, the surprise in all of this is actually the Henriksen facial toner. So this smells amazing, first of all. Oh, it smells so good. And I've been using a technique where I just pour this onto my fingertips and pat it on my face. And I really prefer that to a toner and a cotton pad or a toner and tissue or anything like that. But I do feel like it has really been doing wonders. It has high potency AHAs. I haven't had nearly the breakouts that I had before with it. So I would say if you struggle with any of that, especially down in like the chin region, I do. But I've been using this every single day, twice a day, and really like it so far. So I definitely see, using this and continuing to purchase it in the future. So let's talk about one that I'm a little bit disappointed with. So I received the Peter Thomas Roth collection of masks and have been using some of them and then saving others for gifts. So one that I decided to use was the 24 karat gold mask here. And it's infused with 24 karat gold and colloidal gold. This ultimate luxurious anti-aging treatment helps lift and firm the look of skin while imparting an opulent glow. This lavish, pampering treatment helps to reduce this look of fine lines and wrinkles, leaving skin silky smooth, firmer, radiant, and youthful for all skin types. So you apply a generous opaque layer to the skin, thoroughly covering the face, leave it on for 5 to 10 minutes, and then rinse with warm water. It says used 2 to 3 times a week. So I fully anticipated this to, for some reason, kind of dry down and be like more of a peeling mask, which it was not, which is fine. But I just didn't really feel like it did a whole lot. So if I was purchasing these masks individually, I can't say that I would buy this one. The smell is okay, but I don't really enjoy it that much. And it did come with there's like a rose one as well in the set that I've been using. I used that one last night and I felt a lot of tingling sensation when I was using it. It did recommend to put it in the fridge so it gives like a cooling gel vibe, but you could actually feel that one working. This one I feel like is more sort of a gimmick to have a gold face and wash it off, but I didn't really feel like it did anything. So if you have tried this 24 karat gold mask, please let me know what you think down below. But for me, I can't say that I would buy this again, and I can't say that I truly, truly love it. I'll continue to use it and see if anything changes, but a little bit of a letdown on this one. The Pat McGrath under eye blurring powder. So here is the component. I recently did a get ready with me with all new product and this was in there. So when you open it, the mirror is teeny tiny here, but there's a good amount of product. I have heard nothing but good reviews on this. Now I've only used it once and it was with all new product. And so unfortunately this and the ColourPop concealer did not like each other very much. It may also have been the mattifying primer I used. I'm not really sure. So I'm gonna try this again. First impression, it didn't go well with that. It was very cracky and I had to do a lot of work to kind of rehydrate my skin without looking just like kind of like a stone statue, and like nobody's trying to look that way with this under eye powder. So I'm gonna give it another shot, so stay tuned. I'll give it another review here soon, but kind of undecided on that one. So the Inky List Retinol Cream with the cutest packaging of all time is exactly that. So it smells like retinol to me, feels like retinol, pretty straightforward. I've used it a couple times. I like the way it feels. I put my watermelon glow mask on top of it, and I felt like it was doing the job. So I don't use this more than 2 times a week, so I'm going to continue to use it. But so far so good. You know, it's what I expected. It's a great price point and I'm feeling good about it, so I would recommend this. The Pat McGrath Eye Ecstasy eyeshadow palette. This is the 5-pan palette. I used this in my eyeliner tutorial and did a smoky smudged out eye look with this. I am absolutely obsessed with this formula. I feel like the shimmers just absolutely pay off there. And you know, really all of them are metallic. So like if we ain't doing great things there, I don't know, but they truly are beautiful. I did recently see on her website for Pat McGrath, she has another Eye Ecstasy 5-pan palette with like purples and blues. That one had some really stunning looks. You know, this one's a little more neutral tone, so I feel like it's really good. It's got, you know, more warm tones, which I'm very into, but an easier like everyday palette for sure. So I'm still in love with this, and I would love to give you guys an update on how Sephora handled the broken Huda Beauty palette. So I had received this. A couple pans were broken. I sent them an email. The auto response email got quite confused. It thought I was talking about samples. I wasn't. I was talking about my broken product. And so finally, after replying to that again, I got actually 2 customer service reps that responded to me. I asked them about the return policy given COVID, and all of the stores are still closed here. And so I know they have a 60-day return policy, but I was just a little nervous about how long COVID's gonna last. I know everyone can get a amen on that, like we don't really know, but also just wanted to use my palette, wanted to return it, wanted to get a non-broken one. What do I do? And they were both amazing, like truly great customer service. So Sephora, you get my highest praise on that, and I'm always looking for good customer service, especially being in that industry. So I have gotten to play with this a little bit, but here is the non-broken palette. I have gotten to do one look. I am really excited about the Nebula shade, which I mentioned in that video. I will tag it up above, but yeah, I've just gotten to play with it a little bit and am liking it. I do feel like some of the shades, you know, don't pay off quite as much, but some of them definitely do. There's a swatch of 1, 2, 3, 4 of the shades from the palette. So I'm excited to make some more looks with this, but so far, very thankful to Sephora, very happy with it, and I'd recommend it. So I'd say that pretty much does it for reviewing the products in my unboxing. If you'd like to see me, you know, discuss any particular products, please comment down below with what you'd like to see. And of course, if you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I do regular review videos, hauls, unboxings, and I really love discussing how to do makeup on a budget and save money, and you know, fun, creative ways that you can make different product work for you. Please let me know what you'd like to see next, and thank you so much for tuning in. Have a great day, guys.